Welcome to this tutorial. I will show you how to change the Visual Studio theme. Once we open the Visual Studio, we will have these option in left side menu. There is one icon, setting icon. Click on this one. It will open few options. From those options, just select color theme. Click on color. List of the themes. Here we see my default theme is light Visual Studio, and we have few themes listed here, and we can also additionally select some themes from this option. So it will searching for few themes, and this first one is atom one dark. So once I select the themes, by default it will select this first theme, and let me install other theme. Like I just want to install this particular theme, second theme. So it will install this particular theme. Once it will install, I will able to see changes here. You see color has been changed. Let me choose another theme from here. Open color theme. I like this particular theme, Cobalt 2. Yeah, it's looking awesome to me, and I'm going to use this particular theme. The same way you can set up your Visual Studio and change the theme. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.